what it is at the end, though? It's laughing at old Annie Beaver coming into this stage.
No iska.
Just a quick note to WRC2.
Iska.
Dropped on the stage, but it's moving again now.
No, iska ka üks.